Hi everyone and welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, a few days back when I was giving you a tour of my garden on the ground floor in the corner, I told you that I have sowed the seeds of corns. And today I am very happy to tell you that corn cobs are ready to be harvested. Almost 3 of them are ready to be harvested. I sowed the seeds in the month of July, but actually I should have sowed the seeds in the month of June, because that is the perfect month to start with the planting of the corns. But I was a month late, but still after 3 months, almost 3 months, the corn cobs are ready to be harvested and eaten. This cob is totally ready and I'll harvest it now. We just have to pull it down and it comes out. And it comes out. I'll just show you how it is from inside. See, this is the finest cob I have ever got, and this is the first corn cob from my own garden. How pretty it is, isn't it? Now I'll show you some other cobs which are ready, almost ready. One cob is this corn cob. It will be ready to be harvested in a week or so. And one more is there. This is the one. In a week or so this will also be ready to be harvested. Now when I am trying to open it up, I can see that it is also ready to be harvested. This will be very tasty and sweet. I think I should harvest it also. So I've got 2 corn cobs till now. See, this is very soft from here. So it is not ready to be harvested, and I'll wait for a few more days. And one is this one also. I hope you are able to see. Very thin, but it will also grow up. And one corn cob is this one. This will also take another around a week or so, or 10 days. And one is on this side too. See this is the other one. So 2 corn cobs I can see here. It's really making me very happy and pleased to see these corns in my garden. And this one also, when I tried to see, this is also ready. Though it's a very small one, but I think I should harvest it too. And this one which I showed you on that day, which is behind my gate, this will also grow soon. Friends, as I had promised you that I'll show you when I harvest these corn cobs, so that's why I am showing you these. This may be a very small thing for some of you, but for me it's a very big thing, because this is the first time I'm harvesting these corn cobs from my garden, and they have grown from the seeds which I had sowed in my garden. So that's all for today. See you soon with another video, and make it sure that you also sow the seeds of corns in the coming June next year. So bye friends, see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.